Okay, hello everyone. Hello, my name is NAKABUYE Juliet, and my registration number is 2023/BIT/165/PS, and I'm a student at Mbara University of Science and Technology. So I've been assigned with an assignment about database management systems, and through this, the assignment is all about making a database management system of my own choice. And me personally, I've chosen a university library system. So I'm going to give a recap of my report and the steps I went through to make this database system. So, project overview of my system. Now, my project goal is to develop a robust university library system that will be used by university students, university staff, faculty members, and all that. So, and the key functions of the system include book cataloging, circulation management, and reference services. So there are options, choices of database relative management systems that one may use, which may include MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, among others. And I've been tasked to choose one among all those. So for my project, I've chosen MySQL, and I've chosen MySQL because of the following reasons. One, popularity and large community support. MySQL has a large community which supports the users when building their projects. And number two, we have open source, and it's free. MySQL is free. You can download it anywhere to use it for any of your projects that you may need to work on, give it commercial work, academic work. It is open source and free. And then, so there are costs and risks that would be involved in this university library system. So there are costs, there are tangible costs and intangible costs. So the tangible costs include hardware costs. The hardware costs include the hardware that will be used to implement the system, plus the software costs. Or the software costs may include the new software that may be used to implement that system. And then we have the intangible costs. The intangible costs include the time investment, because systems take a lot of time. Take an example of my project. I took a lot of time, weeks, working on my project. We have the potential disruptions. There's so many disruptions involved in making this system. Then we have the technical risks like hardware failures and data breaches, organizational risks like lack of support from the administration, university administration, budget constraints, and the user issues like training the users to use this new university library system. Okay, so I have a list of entities and attributes that were involved in this. So the entities are in my system are book, author, user, publisher, and loan. And they also have their attributes, because remember, attributes are like the characteristics of the entities. So book has book ID, title, author, publisher, ISBN, the international signed book number, publication year, and author has author ID and name, user ID and type. type of user. It can be a student, it can be as staff member, yeah. Publishers, publisher ID, name, address. Loan has loan ID, user ID, loan date, due date, and return date. Okay. So the relationships and multiplicities involved in this. So book to author has one-to-one relationship. Like one book can be written by one author, then book to publisher, the relationship is many to one, meaning that many books can be published by one publisher. Book loan, that the relationship is many to one. That means many books can be taken on loan, on one loan. User loan, one-to-one. One user can take up only one loan. Book user has many to many, meaning many books can be taken by many users, and then author, publisher, many to one. So many authors can be worked upon by one publisher. And then there are also SQL queries for reports. Like a query can help you work on retrieving data or updating your data in any way. So I've included some queries that may be used for that in my report. Yeah, they can be collected. I will not go through this because it's a bit technical. It will take some time, but the examples of queries I've included are a query that lists all the books, in the library. I can give an example of that, where you give it select with the all sign, yeah, from book, and then you terminate. That query can help you to list all the books in the library. I've also included screenshots from my SQL server, my WAMP server, that shows how to input data from the user, to collect data from the user. This was a big process, but I've included a few in my report. One of them is shows how to input data from the user, and the other inputting data from author table. First one is user table, and then the second one is author table. Mind you, this user, author, book, they are entities, yeah, and those entities have different tables, like columns, yeah. So this brings me to almost the end of my presentation, but before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this on your YouTube channels. So in conclusion, Youth University Library will help provide improved library resources to organizations, mostly academic and other research needs, by implementing scalable and efficient library systems. Thank you very much once again. I am NAKABUYE Juliet. Thank you.